careful, okay? Don't drop it.
Okay. Look at this. Oh, wow.
Hey, Willard. I used to ride this
Yeah.
before. Back in the day, I used to ride this. See that?
This is a motorcycle.
Yeah.
Motorcycles are dangerous.
Mm-hmm.
They're actually dangerous.
Very dangerous.
Yeah.
CBR F4i.
Yeah.
They're nice bikes.
Hey, what is this? What is this right here?
Handicap?
Handicap.
1, 2, ang tumigil, yan ka lang.
California.
Katamot naman, okay.
Hold on, okay?
1, 2, 3.
Oh, wow.
It's too bright naman dahil. The light of the car. Okay, 1, 2, 3. There you go.
See that?
Yeah.
You see that?
Auntie Julie wants a picture with you. Come on.
Okay.
You're the, ano, yeah, come on, bring it.
Look at that, huh? You know, at night in Santa Maria, this is where all the fog comes from.
Oh.
Yeah.
This one?
Pismo Beach at night. It's nice to walk now. Remember last time it was so hot?
Oh.
Remember last time we came here?
Yeah.
In the afternoon it was hot. Now it's super cold.
This way, that one pa. Yeah. That one we bought by here.
Yeah, we bought cinnamon.
Ah, cinnamon po doon.
Cinnamon.
Pismo Beach.
They did a good job actually. They improved.
Yeah?
Yeah. Go, I can take the picture.
You can see the faces?
Go with the letter A, Tatang. Tatang, go letter A.
Ready? Ready? I'm gonna count. Here. Ready? Right here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's good.
You got it?
Yeah.
Maybe get this one.
Hey Willard, did you go to church earlier?
P-I-S-M.
Oh, B-H. Hey Willard, did you go to church earlier? What did you flick? What did you flick in your church earlier? Huh?
I don't know.
You flicked something, I heard. What was it?
I don't know.
Are you sure? I know the answer, I just wanted to come from you. What did you flick?
No, I don't know.
You sure?
Did we go to the park?
You asked
Only-
Uncle. You asked the last name of Uncle.
Okay, only if you tell me what you flicked in church today, we can go. What was it?
What is it?
What did you flick in church?
Did you flick something in church? What is it? What is a what? It's from Malachi, remember?
It's from Malachi.
We talk about tithing. That you have to give 10% to the church.
You flicked it?
What did we want?
Flick?
Flick? Oh! What did you flick in the church?
It's from Malachi.
No, what did you flick down earlier?
What did you throw in the church?
Look like this.
What flick is like this. You flick something like in your hand and then
Remember
you
you throw
slip something.
What
was it?
It was a piece. It was like a little piece of paper.
Yeah, it was a piece of paper.
Like this is flick. Dylan, look at me. Like this is flick. Like that, it's flick. Okay? Put your hoodie. Come on, put your hoodie, baby. Wow. I think it was a
No.
It was a booger, wasn't it?
booger?
It was the booger of Willard.
Why is it?
It was the booger of Willard. Now this way you call an experience right here.
We want to go to the park.
It's misty.
Yeah. This is an experience.
Agar arbis.
Yeah. Now this is why the ocean's scary. You can hear the waves, but you can't see anything.
Walang nagsisurfing ngayon.
No, it's not allowed.
You know what? You get a picture by the light. It's like exorcist.
The Exorcist?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why if it's daylight?
Yeah. You can see the fog. In the light. Parang kung nakasulya ay.
It's a child. Yeah.
You cannot feel that heartbeat.
Oh, that's the mist. Yeah. hmm It feels like it's raining, but it's not. Yeah. Yeah. It's nice here during summer nights when it's warm because the sky is clear. Yeah. What is that?
Necktie.
Oh, necktie. Yeah. Pretty interesting, huh?
You can walk here that one.
The waves, the strong waves, yeah, but you can't see anything. You can kind of see the waves. Kind of scary, huh?
Yeah.
You'd be scared to go swim right now.
Very good.
Yeah. If the waves won't get you, the coldness will. Yeah. Yeah. Which is cold right now or Australia?
Almost.
No, almost the same.
Almost the same. Nice. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
See?
Now am I heavy now?
Yeah, you're heavy. You're gonna have to hold me.
That little nose.
Ready?
Yeah, that's my friend.
I'll race you over there. I challenge you to a race.
Put your hands inside. Like that. There. Then I can hold you like this. See? Wait, I'm gonna.
Come on, we're warming up. Come on. We're warming up.
It's a nice experience.
Yeah, it's nice.
Go and stand there. Yeah.
Go. Willem, hold Auntie Julie's hand and go right there, okay? Yeah.
Right there. But don't move, okay? Line up here. Look up. Line up. Go there.
Careful, Willard. Careful, Willard. No, go.
There you go.
Go over there. Go over there.
There you go.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Take one more. That's good right here. 1, 2, 3. Nice. I got the waves. Yeah. It's just like in the background. Yeah.
I saw your eyes.
All right. Yeah, make sure to hold someone's hand, Willard. Okay. That's you right here.
You want to go on my shoulder, bud?
You want to go there? So make sure to hold someone's hand, okay? Whoa.
Look at the waves, Yana. It's like this is better. We sit down here.
It has to be until over there. The end is close. Yeah. Made it in the end. It's bait.
Oh, it's great.
No, it's bait. Yeah.
I thought you got one.
Yeah. It's bait. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's frozen, huh? This is the bait.
Yeah, shrimp. It's good.
Oh. I don't know if you can get like a big fish.
You can. You can. Made it in the end.
This guy wants to go do missions in Japan. Not a support system.
There we go.
We made it.
See, we made it till the end. Let's see.
Made it to the end. Huh?
I'll take a picture now. Film. No, you go.
Anang, before you look.
Ready?
Two, three.
Wait.
Wait.
Do you like crapping?
One. Don't move, okay? 1, 2, 3. Don't move.
I go over there. Go over there real quick. We made it till the end. Ready? 1,
1, 2.
2, 3.
Yeah.
I'll take one more. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Made it till the end.
We made it to the end.
Right here. This is the end right here.
Yeah, that's the end. But you see, you can't even.
You can't see anything. Yeah.
The waves. You can hear the waves. See, where is it? It's right there only. See?
Steady
waves.
water.
It's only water. See, it's all totally
Pure
dark.
black. Just pure black. Nice.
What happened?
Walk it off there.
What happened?
Like crap.
Oh, like this, Dylan.
Walk it off.
Stretch.
Yeah, let's go like that.
Oh, you're okay, Willard.
Come on, just walk
Okay.
it.
It's okay now?
Are you wearing
You,
it's okay.
you want me to massage it?
It's okay.
Stand up, baby. Stand up. Stand up.
It fell asleep. That's
Like
what
this.
happened.
It's sleeping.
Wake up the legs.
Wake up the leg.
You want to race?
Which one? This one? Oh, this one?
Wiggle your foot.
This one. Wiggle.
Wiggle,
Wiggle, wiggle, two birds. Oh, no, baby. There, see? You can wiggle. There you go. Now, up and down.
Like you're running.
Yeah. But you have to